Hey guys, this is Henry from Tech Daddy Videos. In this particular video, I want to talk about Alibaba. I want to talk about trade assurance. Some of you are confused on trade assurance and how it works. So I'm going to kind of explain this in this video with the orders that I have done, the orders that I have placed in the past, and I want to show you exactly how it works. It's going to be a very simple video, but hopefully it clears up a lot of your questions, okay? When you are dealing with a Chinese supplier or any type of supplier overseas, you always want to go through Alibaba. Alibaba is going to be somewhat of a middleman. They're going to be there in case there's an issue or a problem. They're like a holding company is what they are. Okay, so when you find a supplier overseas, what you're going to do is you're going to contact that supplier and ask them if they can go through Alibaba. They're going to say yes, and then they're going to send you all the information through Alibaba, and you're going to have to create an account through Alibaba.com. And so once you do that, then you'll be able to do orders overseas very easily, especially through air and sea, and you can decide which one you want to do. But in this particular video, I want to talk about why it is so important to get trade assurance. Okay, and trade assurance kind of covers you, and it covers you up to about $2,000 for your order. So if for any reason there is a problem or an issue with a supplier, you can always go straight here to Alibaba.com and you can file a claim or submit a dispute. As you can see right here where it says submit a dispute, that's all you need to do. And we're going to use this as an example. I ordered a bunch of spinners, and so when I ordered these spinners, I always wanted to make sure that my money was covered, right? So in this particular case here, I paid $980. My shipping fee was $156. And this particular one, I paid $1,400. My shipping fee was $500 or $457. Total came out to close to $2,000. Now, you want to make sure that your money is covered. You want to make sure that they sent you the right color, they sent you the right spinner, and what have you. Now, these spinners were the hottest products out on the market. It is starting to get saturated in the .com industry, but in other industries, it's actually starting to move extremely well. So I still order them. I'm still going to order them just because I know that they're going to sell and they're going to sell well, and I know which ones I'm buying anyway. So here I want to make sure that I get my money back for any reason. Okay. So like I said, your spinners could be cheap. You get them, they make a lot of noise, and then they're no good, and you want to be able to send them back. So Alibaba.com has trade assurance. You need to take advantage of that. And right here, if you look right here, this little symbol tells you you are covered under trade assurance. Okay, and so here I have a secured payment. I went ahead, I have trade assurance there, I'm covered there, and so I know everything that I ordered is covered through trade assurance. Now, that if I pay for a credit card or what have you, that's all covered. So any type of damage, any type of problems, I know I can get my money back, and that's why it's good to have the trade assurance. Now, if I wanted to double secure my order, I would pay through PayPal. Alibaba accepts PayPal. They do charge, I think, a percentage rate of 4.9%. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's roughly around there. So if you, for some reason, have a problem and you didn't have trade assurance, then you can go through PayPal, pay the 4.9%, and almost guarantee every single time you're going to get your money back when you file a claim through PayPal. Okay, so it's very hard for a supplier to kind of prove otherwise. So a lot of times you're going to get your money back anyway. It is well worth it to pay the 4.9%. I pay it all the time, even if I have trade assurance, just because I'm double coverage. Now, I may make orders up to $10,000, $20,000 at a time. Now, I want to make sure if I have a $20,000 order that I'm going to have trade assurance, and if I'm paying through PayPal and I'm paying that 4.9%, that I'm guaranteed my money back for any reason. So, you know, if anything happens to the product, what have you, I have that assurance. Okay, I have that you know, knowing that I'm going to get my money back if there's any type of problem. So make sure that when you order products overseas, especially if you're brand new, always go through Alibaba.com, because they are like your middleman. They are the broker. They are the ones that are going to pay the supplier. Now, when you order product, so for example, I wanted to order product, so I order product here, even though my order amount is $1,136. In order for me to start the order, I can pay a minimum, I believe, of, I think it was like $300 to get started. And then when it was all said and done, the order was ready, then I would pay the full amount. That's a nice thing about Alibaba. Going through Alibaba is you're able to pay the small fee, not the small fee, a portion of your payment, and make sure that you pay that at first so they get started on it. And then the supplier does not get paid until after your product is delivered and you are satisfied. And when it is delivered and you are satisfied, the supplier will get paid like a week later after it's been delivered. So that's how it works. You know, Alibaba will come in, they're the middleman, they will pay the supplier after everything is all good. You're happy, they're happy, Alibaba's happy, everybody's happy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to just bring this out to you guys and just tell you, always go through Alibaba if you can, if you're going to be dealing with suppliers overseas. It is well worth it. And to cover your butt even more, if you want to pay through PayPal, pay through PayPal. Even pay the 4.9%, it doesn't matter. As long as you know that you are going to get your money back for any reason, it is well worth it. I would rather get all my money back than zero back anytime. Okay? With that being said, guys, this is just a short video on Alibaba.com, and I just wanted to talk to you about this and kind of answer some of these questions. So anyways, this is why I make these videos. This is why I show you. So hopefully you guys do come in, subscribe to my YouTube channel, take a look at it, take a look at my other videos, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, we'll see you guys later. We'll talk to you later. Peace.